In this video, 7 pieces from Sézane to make you look expensive. For those of you who don't yet know Sézane, it is a French brand and it is very popular here in France. And we French people especially love Sézane for its knitted pieces. I have made other videos about how to look expensive with other brands, for instance Mango, Zara and Talbot. But Sézane is a little bit higher in price, but still very affordable. The pieces I will show you are roughly in the 100–130 euro in price. However, it is a very good quality. If you are new to my channel, a big French chic welcome to you. I hope you will enjoy my videos and the authentic French style advice directly from here in France. Let's have a look at the first piece. This beautiful sable coat, sand color, absolutely gorgeous. I got it last year, double-breasted, 2 side pockets like this, and it is slightly nipped in here, and it has 1 back vent. So let's have a look at the inside. The lining is gorgeous, like a pale pink lining. The size is 38, so it fits me really well. That is not only warm, but it is very distingué, as we say in French, very chic, very elegant. You can wear these with, if you want to stay all in that kind of a neutral palette, or you can mix it with dark colors, for instance navy blue or black. This is something we would do in France. Here's a special tip for you. You want to look extra chic, elegant and expensive, stay in the one-tone palette. A coat in this length, which is over the knee and in its light color, can be worn in winter but also in the spring and also in the autumn. So it gives you even more versatility, because it's not a coat that you would say, oh, is very winter. So you get even more wear out of it. And this is something that we French women really like. And we apply this guideline, if you like, that all your clothes have to be as versatile as you can to get more money for your buck. Right, our next piece from Sézane that will make you look really expensive. This knitted trousers. And the color is called écru chiné, which means that it is écru color, but it's still got some little darker bits in it. This one is not actually wide leg, it's more of a straight leg, but it's kind of loose. And this what makes it very elegant, very sophisticated. So this trousers is in wool, and these have 4 pockets on the side. I would have preferred, between you and me, some actual pockets, because I like to put my hand in my pocket when I model on videos, but it's just a detail. So let's have a look on the inside. So the size here is 38. Again, this is my size. I am a size 10 UK and size 6 US, so I use 38 for the trousers. And it is all lined. This is cotton lining all the way down to the ankles. So that will keep you really warm. You have the cotton lining and you have the wool. So this makes it a very expensive looking piece. It is also well made. You have 2 force pockets at the back as well. An item like this, I expect it to last a number of years, not just for 1 or 2 seasons. With pieces like this, in real wool that are well made, that are really of very good quality, they are very easy to make your outfit look good, because that piece itself already looks good. So really, it will be very difficult to get it wrong on your outfit. In a piece like that, you will not look invisible. You will stand out because you suddenly look chic, elegant, sophisticated, stylish. And this is what it is about. Good quality pieces make you stand out as somebody who knows what she's doing. The next piece, in the light palette again, is this écru cardigan from Sézane. And I've just told you before that Sézane is renowned in France for its woolen pieces. And this one is in mohair. The size I chose is M. It is quite a loose piece. I could have got away with a size small. So if you're interested, you know, size small, if you're my size, that would be good as well. But just look at the sleeves, how well made that is. The work, it's at the front, at the back. It is really beautiful. You can see that a piece like this, well made, worn with your other pieces, with those wool trousers and my wool coat. That will keep me toasty, yes, but very elegant, very chic and expensive looking. Next, another pair of trousers in wool from Sézane. Again, Sézane is reputed for its woolens, but their trousers are second to none. I absolutely love them. The thing with Sézane also, they are so popular in France that their pieces get sold out very quickly. And French women, as soon as there's a new collection coming out from Sézane, French women are there poised and they order very quickly. So this one is a knitted trousers also, couleur brique, so rust-colored, brick-colored, and it is in a thicker material than the previous one I showed you. These are lined as well on the inside, all the way to the ankles again. So that makes these trousers very, very warm indeed, which I really love. They are high-waisted, so really they give you really long legs. The style is wide leg. It is a wider leg style than the enquiries one I showed you. Two real pockets, which I really love. And look at these pleats. Just look at how well these trousers are made. Just look at the detailing here. You have the side pockets with plenty of fabric here, so that the lining doesn't show, all well hidden. Beautiful, well-made pleats here, and thick and wide belt loops. And at the back we have two faux pockets. It is a really well-made, good quality trousers that I will cherish for the next 5, 6, 8 years to come. Good quality pieces like that increase your confidence. Why? Because you know that you look good, and therefore it makes you feel good, and because it makes you feel good, it increases your confidence, and with this increased confidence you make better style choices. Next, woolens again. A cardigan. This is the same style as the enquiries one, but in this peacock blue. I think blue loves me, and I love blue just as much. Again, beautiful, well-made. Just look at those stitches. You can wear silk camisole below it. You can wear it over a t-shirt. You can wear it, you know, all fastened up like a sweater, or opened up like a cardigan, or like a jacket. There's so many ways you can wear it. It is beautiful. I really love it. And again, you can see that I can wear it with those enquiries trousers and also with the rust trousers. Really, these would be contrasting with the rest. They would look really lovely. Another woolen, because I bought the three, because I could not decide which color. So I bought this kind of red. It's not pink, it's not red, it's in between, a bit of a Bordeaux. And again, it is a favorite. It is beautiful. I love, love, love those sleeves. You can see the detailing, and this will look good for years to come. And this is why French women absolutely adore Sézane. Oh, by the way, a tip is not to hang your woolens. And no, I don't keep my woolens hung. It's just because I'm doing the video. But no, they are folded, because if you keep them like this, they will get misshapen. So keep them folded, and of course away from moth and all those little nasties. Next, accessories. Yes, Sézane do accessories, and this is one of their belts. It is in suede, and look at the buckle. I love that buckle. They do these kind of belts also, you know, in a wider width, in a wider width. But again, it is a well-made belt. Also, I have a blouse. So this one is not a winter item, because it is made in a thinner cotton. I bought it before the spring, this one. I wanted to show you this one because I wanted to show you about florals. Some florals can make you look like a sofa. I wanted to show you this one because I wanted to give you a tip here, a styling tip. When you wear florals, if you want to look really sleek and elegant and chic and expensive, choose one of the colors of the floral for all the other pieces of your outfit. And this is one of the tips on print that you need to remember and apply, because if you use other colors, or if you use pieces, you know, in all the colors, for instance, in this floral, your outfits won't look cohesive. It will look confusing to the eye, and your look will no longer be sleek, lean, and elegant. For instance, let's go with the écru that I've shown you. So you've got écru here, which is in the base of the colors. So let's have a look. That will look amazing with this white or écru trousers. You can see that will go very well. So this is a way to make your look really really chic and well put together. And of course, we have kind of a peach colored or kind of a rust color, and here you go, I have these trousers. So you can see here that it looks good also. If you want to stay with the neutrals, I think with the écru that will look especially chic and elegant. And look here with under the coat like this. Again, that looks really nice, and with those écru trousers. If you have been with me for a while, you know that for me, it is not about looking expensive. It is about looking stylish, looking chic and elegant. If you enjoyed this video, you love this one,